Hey, I'm gonna start pulling this carburetor apart. Here's my 2005 Arctic Cat. I've already got the cover off, the seat pulled off, so I can get easier access to everything. This is the carburetor. Let me zoom in here a little bit so you can see what I'm looking at here. I'm gonna start by pulling off all this stuff. I see one thing. I got a broken hose right there. If you can see that right there, that hose is rotted off. It's probably a vacuum or something. The gas tank isn't up here. The gas tank is actually under the seat. So that's usually where a motorcycle gas tank would be at, but that's probably just an air hose or something, which could be part of the problem. But we're going to pull this carburetor off, pull all these lines, start taking off this plastic cover here, and disconnect that throttle cable so that we can start getting this thing out. I've never rebuilt one of these before, but everything I've seen so far online, on YouTube, I think I can do it. There's a little bit of a catch there. You got to get up under there. We go. Here's the catch. Here's my throttle cable. Got to pull that up. Work that thing out of that little notch. Let me change hands here, and I'll try to do this two-handed. Got up in here and turn that lock down a little bit. Get that freed up. That's the throttle cable. That thing will come out of there now. We got to get in here with something to. I don't know if these will work or not. Probably not. There we go. That's what they need. Take this hose out of there. You have to replace that hose anyhow. It's all rotted out. It's all dry rotted. This hose off. Had to take this throttle cable out of the carrier. It's out of the way. Now I got to disassemble the carburetor from what's that little rubber hose there. And this is must be the air cleaner or the air filter, and it looks like it's just a screwdriver, slotted screwdriver. And that one there I can't see it. That's probably on the side. What is that? That's a slotted screwdriver too. So we'll tear that apart. Come right out of there. Now let's go on the other side. Make sure. I think there's a fuel line over there we got to unhook. I'll take you around, we'll see where we're at. Okay, got the fuel line unhooked. Here's the fuel line. And here's where it was hooked up to. So this whole carburetor should be able to come right out now. See, another hose hooked up somewhere up there on top of the other side, but everything else is unhooked. Okay, see that fuel line right there? You see that? This one right here. I got to unhook it, and it should come right out. And I think there's a little plug up there or something too. I'll deal with him when I get him out. This is the overflow line, I believe. You see how it hangs down below the motor? The leg got hot. That's just the overflow. Okay, so I got the carburetor out of the machine. See that little wire hook? There's a connector on that I had to unhook. Now let's investigate this thing and see what's going on inside there. I'm going to order me a rebuild kit or a new carburetor, whichever's cheapest, because something is definitely going on. And this is a 05 Arctic Cat, and it's 2021. It's been a pretty good machine so far. I just started having carburetor issues about a year ago, so I think it's time to get it rebuilt. Anyways, I'll let you know what I find out.